Welcome. How to make money online. Here are some ways. Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com. These three websites are most famous in making money online. Fiverr is a better platform for short-term hiring, while Upwork is preferred for longer-term projects. Using Upwork, clients can set their hourly rate with freelancers, gauge the working hours spent by the freelancers on the project, and comfortably pay them. Freelancer.com is a great platform if you are looking for work, but you need to watch out for the scammers on their website. Freelancer.com is very easy to use as a client. You can get your project done in minutes. Due to Freelancer.com fees, it is good for big projects. iRaisu.com. Watch entertaining videos and earn easy points. iRaisu TV allows you to earn iRaisu points for each video that you watch. Our video inventory refreshes daily. Start earning now. Booklistonline.com. Payment: $15 per book review. Mode: book review. Booklist reviews 7,500 titles every year, and their audiences are librarians, booksellers, and educators. Their main aim is to attract librarians by suggesting the best book, so that they can purchase it as soon as it becomes available in the market. They focus on genres like adult books, books for youth, graphic novels, etc. All you have to do is write a very short review of 150 to 175 words for them. But before applying, make sure you go to their website and check their requirements. Voices.com. Hire professional voice actors. Looking for award-worthy voiceover? Hire a trusted voice actor quickly and easily, keeping your creative project on budget, on time, and stress-free. Find voice talent with the right language, style, or accent to bring your projects to life. EasyGames.com. Europe's #1 real money skill gaming platform. Offers more games and serves over 250,000 gamers. Play and win cash. Wearfabric.io. Watch ads. Get paid. Have fun. USA residents only. Must be plus 18 years. No credit check required. Metropinion.com. Paid surveys. Earn money online. Work from home. Get up to $4.5 for each survey. Safe and easy payment. Start here. Yup.com. Become a Yup tutor and help empower students with good salary. Yup tutors are current and former teachers, educators, and graduate students with extensive tutoring experience. They help students around the world to get unstuck on their homework, master concepts, and gain greater math confidence. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get future updates.